Best Xiaomi Phones. Are you looking for the best Xiaomi phones? In this video we will look at 3 of the best Xiaomi phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Motorola ThinkPhone by Lenovo is a notable addition to Motorola's lineup, particularly targeted towards users who value both performance and productivity in a smartphone. Designed with enterprise users in mind, it merges the ethos of Lenovo's ThinkPad brand with Motorola's smartphone technology, making it a compelling choice for professionals. Here's a detailed look at the ThinkPhone's specifications and performance. Key specifications. Display: 6.6-inch POLED, 2400 by 1080 pixels, 144 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. RAM/storage: 8 GB RAM, 256 GB internal storage. Camera. Rear: 50 MP, f/1.8, main plus 13 MP, ultra-wide, plus 2 MP, depth sensor. Front: 32 MP. Battery: 5000 mAh with 68W turbo power wired charging, 15W wireless charging. Operating system: Android 13 with Motorola MyUX. Build: Gorilla Glass Victus front, aramid fiber back, aluminum frame, IP68 water and dust resistance. Color: volcanic gray. Special features: ThinkShield security, Think2Think connectivity, MILSTD810H certification. Design and build. The Motorola ThinkPhone carries a sleek and professional design. The volcanic gray color gives it a sophisticated look, ideal for a professional setting. Its 6.6-inch display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, making it resistant to scratches and minor drops. Additionally, the phone is crafted from aramid fiber and an aluminum frame, giving it a rugged yet premium feel. Rated IP68, it's designed to withstand submersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes, plus resistance to dust. With MILSTD810H certification, it's durable enough for harsh conditions, a great feature for on-the-go professionals. Display quality. The 6.6-inch POLED display provides vivid colors and deep blacks, typical of OLED technology. The 1080p resolution ensures sharp visuals, and the 144 Hz refresh rate delivers smooth scrolling, whether browsing the web or navigating through apps. It's also HDR10 Plus compatible, making it capable of rendering high dynamic range content. In terms of brightness, it performs well indoors and outdoors, though direct sunlight visibility may be slightly challenging. Performance. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, combined with 8 GB of RAM, ensures the ThinkPhone can handle multitasking, productivity apps, and even intensive gaming without noticeable lag. The 256 GB of storage is more than adequate for storing documents, apps, and media files. The ThinkPhone performs admirably with Android 13, and Motorola's MyUX offers a near-stock Android experience, with some productivity-focused features added. Camera system. The 50MP main camera performs well under various lighting conditions, capturing detailed images with vibrant colors. The 13MP ultra-wide camera is useful for landscape and group shots, though it may suffer from minor edge distortion. The 2MP depth sensor helps with portrait shots, delivering a pleasing bokeh effect. The 32MP front camera is ideal for video calls, selfies, and even some social media content creation, providing crisp and clear images. However, some photos may appear slightly oversaturated, and low-light performance can struggle a bit, especially with the ultra-wide sensor. Battery life. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the ThinkPhone is built to last a full day even with heavy use. In addition, 68W turbo power charging gets you back up to speed quickly, allowing for around 50% charge in about 15 minutes. The 15W wireless charging option is convenient for those who prefer cable-free charging, though it is slower. Software and features. The ThinkPhone runs on Android 13 with Motorola's MyUX enhancements. It includes several productivity-focused features, such as Think2Think connectivity, which allows seamless integration with Lenovo ThinkPad laptops. You can easily transfer files, clipboard content, and even mirror your phone screen on your laptop. For security, Motorola has integrated ThinkShield, which provides enterprise-grade security, including app sandboxing, enhanced encryption, and remote wipe capabilities. This makes it a suitable option for users who handle sensitive data. Connectivity and call quality. Supporting 5G and equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, the ThinkPhone offers fast and reliable internet connectivity. Call quality is clear, with effective noise cancellation on the microphone side, making it a good choice for conference calls or business communications. Pros: durable design with IP68 and MILSTD810H certification. Sharp 6.6-inch OLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate. Fast performance with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and 8 GB RAM. Excellent battery life with 68W fast charging. ThinkShield security and Think integration for productivity. Number 2. The OnePlus Nord N35G is an excellent choice for users seeking a feature-packed smartphone at a budget-friendly price. With a large display, a high-resolution camera, and 5G connectivity, the Nord N35G offers a solid balance between performance and affordability. Here's a comprehensive review of the Nord N35G, covering its design, display, performance, camera quality, battery life, and more. Key specifications. Display: 6.7-inch LCD, 2400 by 1080 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G. RAM/storage: 8 GB RAM, 128 GB internal storage, expandable via microSD. Camera: rear 108MP main plus 2MP depth plus 2MP macro. Front 16MP. Battery 5000 mAh with 50W SuperVOOC fast charging. Operating system: Oxygen OS 13.1 based on Android 13. Connectivity: 5G, dual SIM. Color: chromatic gray. Design and build. The OnePlus Nord N35G has a sleek and modern design, with the chromatic gray color providing a stylish yet subtle look. Its plastic back is lightweight and durable, making it resistant to everyday wear and tear. The phone is fairly large due to the 6.7-inch display, but it remains manageable for one-handed use thanks to its slim profile. The power button on the side doubles as a fingerprint scanner, which is quick and accurate. Display quality. The Nord N35G features a 6.7-inch LCD display with a 1080p resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. While it's not an AMOLED screen, the LCD panel delivers bright and vivid colors, suitable for most tasks, including watching videos, browsing, and gaming. The 120 Hz refresh rate provides smooth scrolling and animations, a feature typically found in higher-end devices. The display performs well indoors, though visibility under direct sunlight can be slightly challenging, as is often the case with LCD panels. Performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset paired with 8 GB of RAM, the Nord N35G offers smooth multitasking and a satisfactory overall performance for everyday tasks. It handles social media apps, web browsing, and video streaming with ease. Gaming performance is decent for casual titles, though more demanding games may require lower graphics settings for a smoother experience. The 128 GB of internal storage is ample for most users, and with the microSD card slot, storage can be expanded up to 1 TB. Camera system. One of the standout features of the Nord N35G is its 108MP main camera. In good lighting conditions, it captures detailed images with accurate colors. The 2MP depth sensor helps to produce acceptable portrait shots with a natural background blur, while the 2MP macro camera is best suited for close-up shots in well-lit conditions. The main camera performs well outdoors and in well-lit indoor settings, but low-light photography could be improved. Photos taken in low light can appear slightly grainy, as the phone lacks a dedicated night mode. The 16MP front-facing camera is capable of capturing clear selfies with good color reproduction. It performs well in most lighting situations and offers useful features like beauty mode, though it can struggle slightly in dim environments. Battery life. The Nord N35G packs a 5000 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts through a full day of moderate to heavy usage. For most users, the battery life is one of the phone's strong points, capable of enduring multiple hours of streaming, gaming, and social media use. When it's time to recharge, 50W SuperVOOC fast charging quickly gets you back up to speed, charging from 0% to around 60% in just 30 minutes. Unfortunately, there is no wireless charging option, which is typical for phones in this price range. Software and features. The Nord N35G runs Oxygen OS 13.1 on top of Android 13, offering a clean and customizable user interface. Oxygen OS is known for its smooth performance and minimal bloatware, and the Nord N35G is no exception. It includes useful features such as Zen mode for disconnecting from your device, dark mode, and various customization options for the home screen, fonts, and icons. While it lacks some of the advanced features found on OnePlus flagship devices, it still offers a robust and reliable user experience. OnePlus has also included 5G connectivity for faster mobile data speeds, which is a great addition for those who live in areas with 5G coverage. The dual SIM capability is ideal for users who need to manage two lines on one device. Connectivity and call quality. In terms of connectivity, the Nord N35G includes 5G support, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 6, and NFC, covering all the essential bases. Call quality is good, with clear audio and effective noise cancellation, making it reliable for voice and video calls. The phone also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature that is becoming increasingly rare in modern smartphones but remains useful for those who prefer wired audio. Pros. Large 6.7-inch LCD with 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Powerful 108MP main camera for detailed photos. Long battery life with 5000 mAh capacity. Fast 50W charging for quick top-ups. Dual SIM and microSD support for added versatility. Clean and smooth Oxygen OS software experience. Number 3. The Motorola Moto G Power 5G 2023 is a budget-friendly smartphone aimed at users who want solid performance, reliable 5G connectivity, and impressive battery life without a hefty price tag. As part of Motorola's popular Moto G series, the G Power 5G offers several upgrades over its predecessors, making it an attractive option in the affordable mid-range market. Below is an in-depth review of the Moto G Power 5G, focusing on its design, display, performance, camera capabilities, and more. Key specifications. Display, 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD, 2400 by 1080 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate. Processor, MediaTek Dimensity 930. RAM/storage, 6GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, expandable via microSD. Camera. Rear, 50MP main plus 2MP depth sensor plus 2MP macro. Front, 16MP. Battery, 5000 mAh with 15W fast charging. Operating system, Android 13. Build, plastic back, plastic frame. Color, mineral black. Design and build. The Moto G Power 5G comes with a mineral black color finish, offering a sleek and understated design. The phone has a plastic back and frame, which keeps it lightweight and fairly durable, though it may not feel as premium as metal or glass. Despite this, the design is attractive and feels comfortable in hand, with rounded edges and a textured back that helps with grip. At 6.5 inches, the Moto G Power 5G is on the larger side, making it suitable for users who prefer bigger displays for media consumption and browsing. The power button, which also serves as a fingerprint scanner, is positioned on the side of the device and is both quick and responsive, allowing for easy and secure unlocking. Display quality. The Moto G Power 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 2400 by 1080 resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The Full HD Plus resolution ensures that visuals are sharp and detailed, while the 120Hz refresh rate delivers smooth scrolling and improved responsiveness, which is impressive at this price point. However, being an LCD, it doesn't quite match the color vibrancy and deep blacks of an AMOLED display, and the brightness can sometimes struggle under direct sunlight. For streaming videos, casual gaming, and everyday browsing, the display does a respectable job, providing clear visuals and smooth animations. The higher refresh rate also enhances the overall user experience, making interactions feel more fluid than on typical 60Hz displays. Performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 930 processor and 6 GB of RAM, the Moto G Power 5G offers solid performance for day-to-day tasks. It handles multitasking well, allowing users to switch between apps without much noticeable lag. The 256 GB of internal storage provides ample space for apps, media, and files, and there's an option to expand storage via a microSD card, which is a plus for users who need extra room. For gaming, the Moto G Power 5G can handle casual games like Candy Crush and Subway Surfers with ease. While more demanding games such as PUBG Mobile or Genshin Impact may need to run at lower graphics settings for optimal performance, they are still playable without significant issues. Overall, the Dimensity 930 chipset provides adequate power for a budget device, though it's not designed for heavy gaming or intensive multitasking. Camera System. The camera setup on the Moto G Power 5G includes a 50MP primary sensor, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. In good lighting conditions, the 50MP main camera performs well, capturing detailed and colorful photos suitable for social media sharing and casual photography. The depth sensor helps with portrait shots, producing a decent bokeh effect, while the macro lens is designed for close-up shots, though its quality is limited and best used in well-lit situations. Low-light performance is a weak point for the camera, as images can appear grainy and lose detail. Additionally, there is no dedicated night mode, which can make low-light shots less impressive. The 16MP front camera does a decent job with selfies, delivering clear and bright images in good lighting but struggling slightly in dimmer environments. Battery life. One of the highlights of the Moto G Power 5G is its 5000 mAh battery, which offers excellent battery life. With moderate use, the phone can easily last up to 2 days on a single charge, making it ideal for users who need their phone to stay powered throughout the day without constantly needing to charge. Even with heavy use, including gaming and streaming, the battery holds up well, usually lasting a full day. The device supports 15W fast charging, which is relatively standard for budget devices but still capable of providing a quick boost when needed. However, it lacks wireless charging, which is unsurprising given its price point. Software and features. Running on Android 13, the Moto G Power 5G offers a near-stock Android experience with some of Motorola's enhancements. MyUX allows for customization, including options like gestures, such as the signature chop gesture for the flashlight, and display peek for quick glances at notifications. Motorola's UI is free from unnecessary bloatware, making it simple and efficient, and the software experience is generally smooth and user-friendly. The device supports 5G connectivity, which is a nice addition for faster mobile data speeds, especially at this price range. Connectivity and call quality. The Moto G Power 5G is equipped with 5G, Bluetooth 5.1, and Wi-Fi 6 for reliable connectivity. It supports dual SIM functionality, which can be a useful feature for users who want to separate work and personal lines. Call quality is solid, with clear audio on both ends, and the built-in speaker performs well for hands-free calls. Pros. Excellent battery life with a 5000 mAh capacity. Smooth 120Hz refresh rate display. Near-stock Android 13 experience with useful Motorola enhancements. Ample storage with 256GB and expandable microSD support. Decent performance for everyday tasks with the Dimensity 930 chipset.